Hi and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to replace the engine air filter on a W210 Mercedes-Benz. The procedure is the same for 2000 through 2003 E320 as well as 2000 through 2002 E430. So you lift the engine cover, the top engine cover, and I'll show you in a minute. I haven't taped it here, but I'll show you how to put it back in, and from that you can tell how to remove it. But there are a total of 6 clips, 3 on the right and 3 on the left of the air filter housing. You remove these clips and then lift up the filter housing cover, which will reveal the filter. You remove the filter and check the condition of it. I would recommend you do this every oil change. And if it looks too dirty, you want to replace it, but really every other oil change the filter will get quite dirty. So clean up the debris, whatever you cannot clean up. If you have an air gun, it's good to blow some air there, but if anything is left, don't worry, because that's just at the intake part of it, so nothing. The filter should block anything from getting into the engine. So put the new filter in, and then make sure that the 4 corners and 4 sides are firmly inside the housing frame. As you can see here. Put the cover back on, and then tighten it with 6 clips. So as you can see, there are 4 mounting points where the cover is held onto the engine bay. And so when you lift the cover, in order to remove it, there are actually 2 handles, as you can see to the right of the Mercedes-Benz logo, and on the same spot to the other side, in the other side. So you just lift it like that, but to put it back on, you just kind of press those right on top of those 4 mounting points until you hear a sound, and that's it. I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.